Hey everyone, this is Tim from Your6 Studios. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to remap your buttons on your Xbox Series X or S controller. So this is easy. Let's go up to Settings, going down to Devices and Connections, and go to Controllers and Headsets. Now locate your controller on here, and we can go to where it says Configure, and then make a profile. So I got Profile 2 right here. You can see Default. Just go to your new profile on the top, and then you should be able to just make one. But once you have one made, let's go to the little edit option right here. And then you can see mapping. You got all these different buttons you can remap. So just select the button you want to remap. So I got the Ultimate controller. You can see the back pedals on here. So just select a button. And then we can go to the primary button. And we can change this around. And then we can press R1. And we can also put this to like an action key. So you can see I can like mute my TV, high contrast, color filter. I can instantly send a message or view my party under here. I got key shifts for like a keyboard. And then I got the mouse on here too. So you can just completely remap it. And then we got the shift. I haven't used this at all. It says X button shift. Choose a button, key, or action. I'm not really sure what this is at all, if we have to like hold it down or something like that. I've never used that. And then it says use a shift button. Enable toggle hold for primary. Enable toggle hold for shift. So I'd probably just put on, if you hold the button down, that is your shift function. So if you hold down like a B button or something like that, you could, I don't know, maybe record what happens quickly. Or see party. So you got some options to think about what you want to do with that. And then just save this profile. And then you got other things like stick sensitivity, triggers, vibrations, etc. And then if you got the Ultimate controller, you got color under here too. So hopefully this video did indeed help you out. If it did, leave it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below.